Your Burlington firefighters are taking to social media to talk to you about your safety. Today's topic will be carbon monoxide poisoning. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas that is as a result of incomplete burning. It is often associated with your home gas water heater, furnace, or oven. To avoid carbon monoxide issues, make sure you have a working carbon monoxide detector and make sure it has fresh batteries. CO detectors can be bought at many of the same places you find smoke detectors. Have your home heating system, including your chimneys and vents, inspected and serviced annually by trained technicians. Never use an oven to heat your home. And ensure that you open your fireplace damper before building a fire. It's important to know that the initial symptoms of low to moderate CO poisoning are similar to that of the flu. They include headache, fatigue, shortness of breath, nausea, and dizziness. If you feel these symptoms, or if your CO detector is sounding, you should call 911 and your firefighters will respond with high-tech meters to check carbon monoxide levels in your home. Thank you for watching. To find out more about your Burlington professional firefighters and our activity in the community, please follow us on Facebook. Simply search Burlington Firefighters.